Hi guys, this is Debbie and I want to welcome you to the Crescent. I'm going to say this wrong. I'm going to try not to. It's the new website intro hop for Crescent Creation. It's for my friend Neha. She has had an Etsy shop for quite a while. I've gotten some of those cute little clay bits to go in shakers, and she's had a lot of those on there over the years. But now she is opening up her own website, and she's going to be offering a bunch of different products from different companies. So that is really incredible. So what I'm using today, this is actually a digital kit from her website. This is from the July new release. And so she has given me these images to color with today and create something for this hop. I'm going to leave a link down below to the next person in the lineup so you know where to go next. And there's going to be giveaways throughout this hop. And I'll give you a little bit more detail about that in a bit. So what I'm using right now is I'm going to be using my Parku art markers to do all of the coloring. It's going to be some simple coloring. I'm going to go ahead and speed this up for you guys so it doesn't take forever since we do have several people in this hop. In the meantime, though, I would like for you to let me know if you like watching the sped up version or if you'd like for me to start doing some real-time coloring videos as well. Just leave me a comment about that down in the description. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about the hop. So the hop, again, is being put on by Crescent Creation, who is opening up a brand new website. It is an active website. I have gone over there, and it looks pretty good already. So here are the rules for the giveaway. There will be 4 giveaways in this hop of $25 each to the Crescent Creations website, and the winners will be announced on August the 17th, which is going to be next Saturday. To win, of course, you need to watch the videos, but also you need to subscribe to their website and blog. You need to comment on each of the videos and blog posts in this hop. You need to follow the Crescent Creations Facebook page and tell us in the comments there that you're following. Do the same thing over on Instagram and Pinterest and on their YouTube channel. I've left links to everything down in the description box below. I know that Neha will really appreciate you checking out all of those different spots and adding your comments on. It's really going to help her new website grow. Now, one of the real cool things about using digital images like this, besides the fact that you can do as many as you want and whatever size you want, well, that's the cool thing. You can do whatever size that you want of whatever image it is. For instance, if I wanted this sentiment to be tiny, I could have it tiny, or as it is, I've got it nice and big. Plus, I printed this out on my laser printer, so I could foil it if I chose to. So now I just need to decide how am I going to put all of this down onto my card. At this point, I'm thinking I probably should have made the sentiment smaller, but I don't want to use up an entire sheet of cardstock just to do that one sentiment. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to bubble cut it. Okay, so that looks pretty cute. Okay, so I'm going to be putting this down on a white card base using my dot liner adhesive. And I'm going to use my scoreboard just to help me get this lined up right, because if you've watched any of my videos, you know I have trouble getting these things on there straight sometimes. So I'm going to just brush it up against the edge. And yay, it went on there straight. So I popped up the sentiment. Since this is a flat one-layer card, I decided to go ahead and just pop up the sentiment anyway. So I just put some foam tape on the back of that, and then I'm going to add that to the card. Okay, so that is going to finish up my project for today. Thank you guys for dropping in. I really, really appreciate it. Be sure to check out all of the other creators in the hop, because I know they'll have some inspirational projects for you to see. Here's a link to another video that I know that you're going to enjoy. You guys have a wonderful day. Good luck with the contest. And remember, if I can make it, you can too.